We're going to show you how to set up your extended knuckle skater kit. Here we have your knuckle plate, your wheels, your different mounting options, optional mini rods, your trusses, and your rails.
So just like with our level 5 and Constellation camera dolly setups, you have an array of mounting options: 75mm, 100mm, and flat mount.
What you want to do is line up the holes on the bottom of your donut with the holes on the top of your knuckle plate. Flip it upside down and use our 1/4-20s to screw it in. And use a 3/16" Allen that we provide.
Okay, so there you go.
Now that your mount is set up, you can go ahead and attach your extenders. What you do with these is you put them in place on the top of the knuckle and use a 1/2" low profile SRP to lock it into place from the bottom. And then use your low profile 1/4-20 screw on top to lock it into place. You can use a 1/8" Allen to screw that in. After that, you just repeat it 3 times. Okay, once your extenders are in place, you can take your 5/16 screw and your washer and put it on top of the extender and the screw through the hole and screw it into your wheel. And for that, you'll need a 5/16" Allen. And tighten it up. And again, repeat 3 times. Now your turret might spin while you're screwing the screw in, so you may want to hold it down while you're screwing.
So as you can see, we have 3 different lengths of rods that are fully threaded and stackable. So 7.5, 15, and 30 inches to make any track length you want. And just like on our larger systems, for the extended knuckle, we have a middle truss. So you can put that on. We recommend at lengths extending 45 inches, but of course that depends on the load of your camera setup.
To set these up, you want to take one of your trusses and insert one side of your rod. We'll start with the male side into the holes. To lock those in, you'll use our mini female SRP locking bolts and just screw it onto the threads. And in order to get these really tight, you can hold the SRP and turn the rod. Once you have one side in, you can go ahead and go to the other.
So on the female side, you'll use a 1/4-20 screw and just insert it into the hole and screw it on.
To get your knuckle on, you're going to want to have the bottom wheel facing the outside of the rail on each module. Put it on and you grab the damper and pull it out and it'll snap into place, and then you're good to go.
If you wanted to elevate your camera donut, if for example you needed a bit more clearance for the bottom, or you just wanted to have a higher elevation for your lens, you can use the mini rods. Here we have 4. You can use either 3 or 4, and they screw directly onto the bottom, and then you can attach them to the plate in the same way.